Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix broken mods on Sims 4. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So before any of these steps, you want to look at your documents and write down your mods so we can look them up, see if they are updated, and we can install them again if they are not updated. So you want to open up your documents folder just like so, and after that you want to go to EA application, so Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, and then the mods folder right there. So here I don't have mods anymore, but you want to search here for mods right there in the mods folder, and you want to find the folders with ending with UI, then cheats or MC. So you're gonna write down MC and you want to delete them. So you will find UI folders. I'm gonna leave all of these folders names in the description below for you to check out. So it would be UI, cheats, or MC, more call. Then another one would be WW. You want to delete them all. Cooking, recipe, and food, and few others. So that would be cast background, and once you write down cast background, you want to delete that too. And the last one would be TS4 script. So you want to find a lot of files with TS4 script, which are TS4 script basically. So you want to delete them all. And after you will do that, once you will delete all of your mods which has an ending with those, you then want to go ahead, open up your Sims 4, click on play, and again you want to reinstall your mods if they have any updates. So go ahead, check out your mods and install them again. That should fix your broken mods. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.